Yo, you, yeah, hey, you. Yeah, yeah, you. What's up? What's up, everyone? It's your boy. And we back. We BACK back. I believe I said streamer is running. Please tell me the stream is running. Yes, it is. We are back. Back, biggity back. Whoa, it's not showing up now. Okay, there we it is. Huh. Huh. So like the title said, Matt. No, making sure again the Matt too, troubleshooting technical issues, adjusting the setup, making sure everything is working smoothly for future study streams. Is that the exact definition? Is that the exact description that I want? No. But is it okay? Yeah. I will let it slide. And I'm saying I'll let it exist. You feel me? I'm gonna let that exist. So like it said, math. How, where, how, when, how do I start with math? We got some exercise sheets. That's where we start. We got almost 12 exercise sheet if I understand. Hmm. 12 exercise sheets. We got solution and... Oh, okay. How is the solution looking? I don't have the solutions. Fuck. Oh, that's the solution. Okay. I got scared. Like, how many questions do we got? Five. So from six. Six. The next number. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. guess. Now the solution. I'll make a new folder here. Solution. I got the solution for when. Oh, I could show you this, right? I don't think there's any important information that should be saved. Go back. Just want to confirm Twitch is streaming. No, it's bad. The Berlin attack. Not good. Yep. Okay, I got all the solutions. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna separate all the solution into the specific folder. There we go. First exercise. Investigate the following infinite series for absolute convergence. Notebook LLM. Yo. Notebook LLM. Come here. I think I was working on... What? Get the app? There's an app? No, there's an app. You told me there's an app? No? This the app? Output language, Gemini, license device. No, upgrade Gemini notebook. No, I'm sorry. Ain't gonna upgrade. 4 sources. What are these 4 sources? Oh, the exam questions. Okay. Yo. Yo. Oi, tell me what is going on with the sorest. What did ye face you? The news sources expand significantly on the topics where we were discussing previously, like matrices, Hessian matrix, cover the entire curriculum for the term. Here's a breakdown of what you shared. Oh God. Now I need to work on it. Investigate the infinite series for absolute convergence. Discord, god damn it. I forgot to paste the link. Share. Copy. Yeah, good enough. Why is the Files app just respawning every time? What's wrong with that? I already opened you. I opened you in the specific place where I want you to be opened at, and you're just gonna refresh the whole app? What you doing? The fuck you doing? What you doing? You retarded or what? You retarded or... So, the question? We use the root test, theorem 9.4, according to example 9.6. We're gonna go that way. Limit of k tends to infinity. Root of k root k equals 1. Whoa, I gotta think about this. K root k equals 1, and k tends to be infinity. I can see that it's gonna happen. I can feel that it could be. Thus, root of k raised to 7 by 5 raised to k equals to 1 by 5 root k raised. Let's doing first question. According to exercise sheet 1, the first question asks you to investigate two specific infinite series about for absolute convergence. Since these are series with positive terms, checking for absolute convergence is the same as checking for standard convergence. But I don't know what the difference between absolute and standard convergence. Power exponential series, k raised to 7 by 5 raised to k. How to start? The best way to approach a series that mixes a polynomial with an exponential is to use the ratio test, also known as quotient criterion. Define your term a raised to k, ak equals k raised to 7, 5 raised to k. Okay, set up the ratio of the next term to the current term. AK plus 1 by AK. Set up the ratio to the next, but what does it do though? This will look like k plus 1 raised to 7, 5 raised to k plus 1 times 5 raised to k by k raised to 7. Simplify the expression. You will simplify to leave 1 by 5 in the denominator. Calculate the limit as k tends to infinity. If the resulting is less than 1, the series converges absolutely. Could you explain what exactly this step is doing? I'm focusing. Okay. Well, did you read that? That was pretty weird. In the context of quotient criterion for investigating series from your first exercise sheet, step B is designed to ensure the growth factor of the series from term to the next. Here's a breakdown of what step is doing actually, defining consecutive terms. If you see a series converges, you need to know if the numbers we are adding are getting smaller fast enough. Step B compares the current term, the value of position k, the next term, the value of the very next position. You find this by replacing every k with your formula k plus 1. Okay. So you're trying to get a formula between a specific term, the ratio between a specific term and the next term in this function. Measuring the relative change. The relative change. Setting up the fraction. How many times larger is the next term compared to the current one? Current one? 1 hour. 45 minutes. 30 minutes. 15 minutes. 20 minutes. Did I set the 30 minutes one? Because I don't know if it said no, it did not. 30 minutes. 30 minutes! You canceled what? You canceled the 20 minutes one, huh? Set a timer for 19 minutes. 19 minutes. No, not 19 minutes. 19 minutes, 20 seconds. Oh, yeah. Measuring the relative change. If the ratio is greater than 1, the term is getting bigger. If there is less than 1, the term is shrinking. This series will blow up to infinity, diverge. It will settle on a finite sum, converge. Isolating the winner of the growth race. Wants the number to get bigger as k increases. Denominator wants the number to get very smaller very quickly. So, yeah, that's a perfect solution for perfect form for diverge, right? This step allows you to cancel out the common parts. Simplified to just 1 by 5, showing that the exponential denominator is winning the race by a factor of 5 at every step. 1 by 5 is 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 1 by Wait, from here it looks like the more higher the k value, the numerator becomes bigger and the denominator gets smaller. You have highlighted the central tug of war in the first problem. Stop using big words, okay? To clear up the confusion, you're right that the numerator gets big as every k increases, but the denominator also gets big. That's not what you wrote. You wrote something else. Wants the numbers to get smaller very quickly. That's what you did, bro. But it looks like, yep. 5 raised to k, that means each k value increases, huh? But the denominator is also getting bigger and it's much more rapidly, which is why denominator wins the race, causing the overall terms of the series to shrink towards zero, correcting this growth this direction. Because this growth is happening in the denominator, it is trying to make this total value of the fraction smaller. The reason the denominator wins is due to the speed of growth. K raised to 7 is a polynomial. Even though the power is high 7, it grows to a predictable rate. K raised to 5 raised to k is exponential. Exponential functions eventually grow faster than any polynomial, no matter how high the power is. Numerical example. At k equals 2, we got 5.12. At k equals 10, we got 1. Okay. K equals 20, we go really bottom. As you can see, the numerator is getting bigger, but the denominator is getting bigger. But the denominator is getting bigger faster, which forces the total term to be smaller and smaller. Okay. So how do I solve this though? So k plus 1 raised to 7. I gotta do k. The ratio test. Okay. I remember some of these now. I'm starting to remember ratio test. Could you tell me how to solve this? I kind of forgot. Okay, I got the result that I was really needing. Got it, so I'm gonna need to Yo, I just opened up YouTube and now I'm seeing the chat. I don't know what's going on. Okay, I don't know what's going on. What's wrong, chat? Why is the chat not chatting? Pack it up. Pack what up? But hey, appreciate you for checking out the stream, gang. Gang, gang, gang. And vibe up, I gotta say, yeah, finally Matt. After a while. After a while. But why is the chat not showing up now? Oh, what the Okay. Now it's working? Is that what you mean? I don't know. I'm still not sure if the chat is working. I do have this one, but come on. Oh man, 3, 4. So to solve this algebraic simplification for the ratio test, you need to group the like terms together and apply basic exponent rule. Here is the step-by-step breakdown of how to get from fraction to simplified forms. Group the like bases. Rewrite the expression to the parts with the same base or the same exponents are together. Okay. And you do use the exponent rule. X raised to a plus b equals x raised to a plus x raised to b. Baba. Okay, how is this one gonna be? $15 already? Yeah. He's already 15 minutes, god damn it. He's already 15 minutes. WhatsApp? Yep, I have to open WhatsApp for a really important thing. But how do you cancel this one though? Use the power rule. A raised to n, b raised to n equals a by b whole raised to n. So, okay. What is this ad? Is it an ad? It was an ad, but it sounded so good that I was listening to ads. God, damn. Like God, damn, son. What happened here? Oh, that's how it is. Okay. My bad. Okay, my bad. My bad. That was useless. Let's do some math, eh? Let's do some mathematics, eh? Let me try solving the first question. How is the second one gonna be? I'm guessing the second one is also doable. It's a doable. That's all I know. It's a doable. I fucking hate. $20. God damn. Oh, the room's a mess. The table's a mess. It's like a... Oh, it's a fucking mess. Okay, time to switch the cameras. We're switching the cameras. University. What? Math 2. Lot of lectures. Lectures. Hessian matrix. Oh, saddle point. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of proud of these notes. I'm kind of proud of these notes. Exam practice paper compute. Desk. Sources? No. Scene transition? No. Fuck me. Scenes. Fuck. Writing scene. Look at this. The goat's liver. Not gonna lie, the goat's liver does taste good. But hey, I understand what you mean. Let's go. ATX Live is here. Oh, ATX Moon is here. How you doing? The chat is still showing. I'll remove. Yeah. What? I removed the chat. Why is it? You got to play Pal World? Guess what? I'm also gonna play Pal. Hello, brother. My man's. Yo, how you doing? Matthew Legend. Yeah, what was I saying? Bollock, let's go. What was I saying? Pal World. I'm gonna try Pal World next week. But hey, I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't know if it's gonna. I'm gonna have to get you on a server with my friend. I should. But again, I will try it out. I never. Bollock, what you working on, yo? I'm working on some math, some good old math, simple math. Yeah, I was saying, Pal World. I don't know if it is compatible with my machine. If it works, but if it does not, like what was the game, Team Fortress? I'm not very big fan of that. But let's see if Pal World works. Simple math. Oh, it is pretty simple though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not saying it's very easy. I'm not. I don't want to be that guy, but like if you look into it a little bit, yeah, that's cool, bro. Yeah, I hate the phone reflection. You're only on algebra 2, okay? Your cousin finally left. W's. W, man, W. It feels very good, huh? It feels really good when someone that you don't like just leaves. It feels good. No way, they asked you for proof. No. So you told their parents. Okay. Yo. Next time you're gonna record him, yeah? Better record, I guess. What is this? The judge? They're like, yo, do you have proof? You got proof, gang? Well, we got some cantaloupe from the garden. Cantaloupe. It looks like a pumpkin, right? Cantaloupe looks like a cantaloupe. You are scared. You're scared of your cousin? I mean, hey, like I said, someone is. It's really uncomfortable. Understand, gang, I understand. Yeah, it looks like a pumpkin, but it's not exactly a pumpkin. If you're in the vertical stream. Oh, I don't think you could see it if you're in the vertical stream. Okay, it's like a papaya type shit. They taste good. You're on the shorts? You're on the normal? Okay. But hey, that's good news that I get both chats working. Yeah, if you're on the short stream, you cannot see the screen. But I could do something. I could show you this. Do you see it now, Matthew Legend? So I see it now, but you don't see me. That's okay. But yeah, that's basically a cantaloupe. It reminds me of a papaya. That's what it reminds me of. Oh fuck. Got some tomatoes. sources, add some chat. We got some tomatoes and jalapenos. Yo, I like jalapenos. Jalapenos very good. Okay, I somehow got the chat here on the vertical stream. Now I need to add the chat. We make fresh salsa with it. Yo. Well, I gotta go. So, it's homemade. That's cool. Respect. Homemade food, better. Good. You're gonna go work in the garden? Damn. Okay. Respect, gang. Respect. It's been a long time since I worked in a garden, but hey, hard work pays off. I was looking upon the sources. Yeah, sources. Add the chat. God damn it. Browser. Oh, okay. Add one existing. The grass already tall, so yeah, I'm gonna go cut it. So bye, brother, and water the plants. Yo, respect. Good. See you, gang. See you, gang. Exercise. Sheet 1. Investigate infinite series for or absolute convergence. Infinity k raised to 7 by 5 raised to k. Stop with the math suggested results. Nobody gives a fuck. Why would you like it was if I look into the video, it should be there that I turned it off. But it somehow turned back on. Not normal. Apple. Not good. Not good. So ratio test, right? Equals to k plus 1 raised to 7 So we got two rules, if I understand. Now multiply your two simplified parts back together. Yeah, two rules. Power rule. A by b raised to n. Power rule. And what's the other one? Exponent rule. X raised to a plus b equals x raised to a times x raised to b. So one's exponent rule, the other one is power rule. Which one? Yeah, that's the exponent rule. This one involves the power rule. One by k equals 0 as k approaches infinity, right? Yeah. Water. So how do you write the final answer? Combine the results. Somebody used to chat. Irjan Brahushaj. Hi. Hello, Irjan Bah. You know what your username is, right? Yep. Hello. Hello. Should I make it a bit more bigger? Because that's better. So at k tends to infinity, this term goes to 0. And what is remaining is okay. Okay, on the solution, it's solved using the root test. Shashi Kumar, hi bro, yo Shashi Kumar, how you doing? How you doing, Shashi Kumar? Set up the root. Distribute the root. You can apply the root separately to the numerator and denominator. Simplify the expression. I'm good food culture. No, gang. I will have my food later, gang. So limit is less than 1. The series converges absolutely. God damn it. You can't just spam 6, 7. It's dead. 6, 7 is dead, gang. Come on. Stop resurrecting older memes, gang. It's not worth it. So this one is the ratio test. I'm not spamming. I'm not talking about you though. I'm talking about someone else. Shashi Kumar. I'm not talking about you. No, it is not, gang. Okay. What is not? Okay. Before you explain, let me know how do I answer the what am I studying for? I'm studying for a math exam that's gonna be coming in later of the year. Let me how do I answer the question? Like, I found the answer is 1/5. Now let me know how do I write the answer, because it's not actually directly solving the equation, rather this. Shashi Kumar, do you have a job? No. I used to have a part-time job, but now I do not. My job ends to this month, and I need to find a better job. I need to find a job related to my studies. Yo, this guy, bro. It's not even funny. 6, 7 is not even funny. I guess your motivation was being annoying. And not gonna lie, you kinda achieved it. Find the 6, 7 job. Okay, bro, laughing emoji. I'm not laughing though. What job are you looking for? At least I would like to work in a lab or something. You feel me? Something that relates to something that cultures bacteria or some shit, you know. Something related to my studies, gang. I really wish I could have done that. And the reflection of my phone is really annoying. Shashi Kumar comes up with a thumbs up. Let's go. But yeah, it's kind of hard to find a job. Just found the multiplication factor, the lab of 6, 7. The lab of 6, 7. ബ്രോ നാട്ടിലേക്ക് പോകാറുണ്ടോ? It's been a while since I went back, but maybe I will go. But if I go, you're gonna see it, dude. That's for sure. I once tried to go back home, but I did a very big mistake, and I was not able to board the flight. So yeah, it's been a while since that happened. It's been almost 1 year since that happened. നാട്ടിൽ ആരൊക്കെ ഉണ്ട് നാട്ടിൽ എല്ലാവരും ഉണ്ടല്ലോ. Everyone's there, gang. Every single one I know is back. Like, I guess you asked me about parents, right? Yeah, parents are back home. Oh, fuck. Thank you for calling me annoying. Hell yeah, bro. You're gonna be the 6767. State the test you are using. We investigate the series by root criterion. No, not root criterion. We're gonna use ratio. My dad is also not in Nadu. Oh, my dad is back in Nadu. Oh, so your dad is abroad, I guess. Okay, yeah. If I remember, a lot of students people have their family members abroad. My dream is to be the 6'7" monster. 6'7" monster. Yeah, bro. I can see that's gonna happen in the future. We calculate the limit of the kth root of the term using fundamental. You like to use emojis, huh? Now he is in America related to his job. Oh shit. The land of the free, gang. Land of the free. Thank you. The land of the free. We calculate the limit L of the kth root of the terms using fundamental limit k tends to infinity. Again, stop answering. No. Or tell me. Goodbye, bro. I'm gonna go now. Yeah. At least, bro, you came back to your senses, huh? To answer question number 1, ak plus 1 equals k plus 1 raised to 7, 5 raised to k plus 1, obtained by replacing k. Calculate the limit. Okay. So we have to find the limit. That's what I was thinking. Abdullah Extreme. Yo, Abdullah Extreme. How you doing? Shashi Kumar, do you cook your food or you buy it? I think buying food is not worth it. I cook it, gang. Cook all day. Which tool you are using? Are you talking about hardware tools or software? What you talking about? What do you cook? I cook something. I cook rice, eggs, vegetables, and meat. That math question. What tool are you using for on browser? Oh, this one is Notebook LM. Pretty good. I was not a big fan of. Initially I was a big ChatGPT guy, but hey, looks like there are other good AIs out there. Can you guess my age or my class? I mean, I don't have any leads on what are you doing, but your name says you're pretty old. Or is it like your uncle's or dad's account? But hey, I'm just gonna ball it 12th standard. You speak using ChatGPT in the big 26 is sad. Okay, first off, ChatGPT works. And recently, I would have used oh, my camera stopped working. I would have used GPT if they did not set a limit. Previously, if I was using the GPT app, I could have like they would let me use their latest model. After a while, they're gonna say, "Yo, you reached your limit. You're gonna use the lesser model, but we're not gonna stop you, right? We're not gonna stop you. We're just gonna make you use the lesser model." Okay, I'm good with it. But after the new update, 30 minutes in, and they just they do not let me use the chat. They were like, "Yo, come back tomorrow." My laptop, the app that I installed, you're telling me come back tomorrow? And I'm not gonna pay for subscription. Fuck subscription. Fuck subscription. It's your dad's name? Oh, okay, that makes sense. Makes sense, gang. Because that's not a new name though. But it would be cool if you could name a child Shashi in the big 2026. That'd be crazy. That would be like, wow, his name is Shashi? Oh, shit. That must be a cool kid. Just use Claude, bro. Yo, Claude is the one who started this whole thing. I tried using Claude. They're very good at coding. They're really good at coding, but Claude does not let me use the app after 30 minutes or so. They were the one who started it. Now ChatGPT is also following that same path. You're not in 12th? Okay, I'm guessing you're lower than 12th. Now Gemini is the only AI that is not acting like a complete piece of shit. But I'm scared one day it's gonna come in. And I'm not very fond of that day. Okay, what was I doing? So what you do is you set the limit, right? Can you guess my age? I can't guess your age because I don't know any. You use Gemini for math only. Oh, whoa, that's specific. So what about the others? What do you use? Pro നാട്ടിലേക്ക് വിളിക്കാറുണ്ടോ? Yes, of course. Of course. I use Gemini right now. I use Gemini for everything. Like I could show you. Look at this shit. Look at it. I hate this. I don't know why, but yeah, I guess. We got mathematics. We got organic. We got analytical. We got no man that thermo. You're on 10th. CBSG state. What's going on? Yo, 10th is pretty. 10th is a really good time. Yeah, for me, 10th standard was the last class I was able to attend in person. Right after my 10th, 11th and 12th, COVID. Government school, bro. Yo, state. Let's go. State is the most lit one, not gonna lie. If you learn state, you are. I mean, every syllabus. Is it a syllabus? Everything has its own goods and bads. My age, 22, 22. The big 22. Fuck, I keep on forgetting what I'm supposed to do. 1 plus 1 by k. Oh, 1 by k. I have never heard you speak another language than English. No way. I do sometimes speak the native language. The native language that runs up here. And I do try to learn German. No way. You should hear me speak another language once in a while. So it means 1 by 5. So if it's a less than 1, therefore the series converges. Limit That's the reason why the series converges. What does it mean when the series converges? The more higher the value k goes, the series I know a little bit of English, but many of the ones at the same age or class don't know at least Malayalam. Yo, that's a really serious problem I noticed recently. I play chess. My friends play really good chess. I know how to play chess, but every time I play chess with my friends, I lose. It's not like I lose, I just give it up for them, you know? I don't want my friends to feel bad, so I lose the game purposefully for them, but yeah. What was I saying? It's something I noticed on the Malayalam language. Like a lot of people, when they speak Malayalam, they include English words in between. That's the problem of government school. Mixing English and Malayalam words. When I get back to my country, I'm gonna speak only Malayalam. No English, no other words. Only native language. What was I thinking? Okay, now let's move. Emir Temel. Hey, Cracker, how you doing, man? Yo, Emir, how you doing? Maybe my brain is not functioning properly, but I don't remember. You, Emir, don't get me wrong, I just don't remember what was the previous conversations we had before. What do you mean? Is it your first time checking out the stream? Aku ingin... You watched my stream few days ago, okay. Do you remember any specific conversation that we had? It's your first time what? It's your first time what, gang? Do I go to gym? No. Not a big gym person. But I do work out back home. And I do like rock climbing. Oh. Not outdoor rock climbing, indoor rock climbing. It's pretty good. It's fun. Maybe it's easier for me because I don't weigh that much. I'm not a very heavy person, so it's easier for my arms and legs to pick me up. It makes it easier for me to climb, maybe? I don't know. Abdullah Extreme, what do you mean it's your first time? Playing chess? So what do? You do root of a raised to k. Simplify the expression. 1 hour. 1 hour! Yo. I did not even complete the first part of the first question. I am slow. Distribute the root to the numerator and denominator separately. The root and power of k cancel out perfectly. This new commenting skips many comments of mine. Yo. And we got Shashi Kumar saying hi. Okay. What? How? What do you mean it skips? Did you type in any other comments? Abdullah Extreme. Like before, it's my first time, or in between, it's my first time, and your new comment. Did you have any other comment in between? Oh, you had. Yo, I don't know what's going on though. But this new comment thing is working on my computer. Like I'm not using any other services, so it's all free. But hey, I hope it's gonna work this time. I think it's gonna work this time better. And now let's move to what happened to the old comment thing. Oh, glad you asked. So I used to use a streaming platform or a streaming service called Restream. Also, my classmates use bad words. Bad words, I mean, it exists, right? Stream fixed? Yes, stream fixed. So what happened to the old comment thing? Basically, I was using a streaming service called Restream. And the problem with Restream is they would only let me stream to 2 specific platforms. Like I could choose between YouTube or Kick, YouTube, Twitch, only 2. If I move to 3 platforms, money, I gotta pay them. And I looked up online, and there was a free option as part of OBS plugin, which let me stream to any platform. It doesn't matter how many platforms I'm streaming it to. It is possible. So I tried setting that up, and when I set that up, I can't use Restream, and that's how I have to move to a new chat system. Because the older one, I stopped using the older service. Are you rich? No. I wouldn't say I'm rich. Does anyone watch you on Kick? No, not a single person. Kick, Twitch, very, very few interactions. express your standard limit. Root test. Then I will watch you in Kick. Yo. Finally some maths. Yeah. I can see how I failed math because I'm really slow at this. So root test, what it does is basically we take the root of the equation and we simplify the expression. Let me do it. Limits. Is this limits? Can I say this is limits? I'm not sure. This is a test for absolute convergence. Infinite salutations. Infinite. Yo, that's gonna be hard. Infinite? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Infinite? Oh. It's gonna be hard. A raised to k equals if I raise to k and you know what? I am doing limits, so it is kinda limits. But the question is asking me to find Abdullah Extreme says limited salutations. Yo, appreciate that. Why using AI then? What do you mean, why using AI? If I don't understand some things, I could ask the AI. What's wrong with the AI? So, what is this thing? Solve it myself. X equals 0 to infinity. What is this thing? Can you say it's limits? This one. Fuck. Can you? Oh, whoa, my hand is not predicting. Can you say that this limits? I don't know. K tends to infinity. Now I am watching both Kick and YouTube. Shashi Kumar, if you could do me a favor, can you type something on Kick? On the chat, I just need to see if the Kick chats come in between the YouTube chats. So, Vaibhav, I got 2 ways to solve this expression. 2 ways to find out if this expression is converging or diverging. Okay. Converging or diverging, and AI showed me a test called the ratio test, and the solution I have is using another test called root test. So if I did not use AI, I wouldn't have known about ratio test. Hey yo, Saz, what did you say? I want to see if Kick can come between you two. Pause, okay? Oh, you have to sign in? Okay, no worries, gang, no worries. I understand. It's annoying to sign in. I joined you on Discord. Yo, new Discord members. Let's go. Discord is my Discord server is like it's like a cemetery. Once in a while, I I show up on the Discord server and that's it. And we do have some spam comments, so that's also happening. I joined yeah on online. Yeah on only. What? What? Okay, focus. How do I find the root of this? If I do root of k raised to 7 by... What's your... Yo. Pause. You only want Discord members and don't want me? Yo, I did not meant that way, okay? It's not like that. I'm just saying. I don't get too many Discord members. No, it wasn't. Pause, gang. Pause. Okay, focus. Root of k to the k raised to 7 divided by root of k 5 raised to k. So I'm guessing it's gonna be... I was joking, bro. Yo, chill. It's gonna be 1 by 5 times... How is it gonna be? Root of k to k raised to 7. What do I do? And here k, limit of k tends to be infinity. Infinity raised to 7... Okay. Infinity raised to 7, root of infinity. That's 7? No, I don't think so. I'm a bit confused. Confused on the root k to k raised to 7. How is it becoming 1? It's 10 p.m. here. It's time to study or sleep. Anyway, good night. Yo, appreciate you for checking out the stream. Respect. The confusion regarding how... Okay. So basically, there's another streamer who puts a timer and studies, ignores comments, and takes a little break and read comments, then back to studying. Just an idea. Not gonna lie, it's a really good idea. But sometimes some comments are just too good that I need to look at. 2 hours sleep in 7 days? Okay, bro. Respect. Moving the power outside. First, we use algebraic rule to root that the root of the power is in the same... What do you mean? Root... Okay, so you made it into an exponential form, okay? And it's now gonna be... Have you watched Earth to Grow? What is that? Please, Lord, don't tell me it's some porn or some shit. Why did my mind go for porn? I don't know. Don't ask, okay? Wustakan huae, okay. Oh, shit. What is this? It's a Turkish series. Not gonna lie, looks good. Looks good. Looks pretty true to the story. Did not know about this. I did not know Turkey was Sui Ronaldo Sui. It's a Turkish series. Watch Nymphomaniacs Sui. What is Nymphomaniacs? It's a drama. It's the most famous Turkish series. Okay, I do have some Turkish friends. It's a 2-hour movie. Okay. It's an erotic drama. Oh shit. Is it like a movie or is it like a documentary? Okay. Okay, we do have some interesting human beings in there. No, my channel is cooked. YouTube is gonna ban me because I searched up some random movie. No, YouTube. I'm sorry, YouTube. I was joking, YouTube. It's all the chat. YouTube is not me. Yeah. Is it like the House of Dragons Abdullah Extreme? The series? Nah, it's gonna this stream is not for kids, so I already ticked in the option that it's not for kids, so YouTube is not gonna strike or some shit. YouTube might ban you for the images, I'm not gonna lie. I said the stream for mature audience. That's why I can use the word retarded. Because I would have gotten banned or copy strike if I say some words like that. That's what I believe. Using the rule a raised to m. Yeah, I cannot stream porn. Yep. No matter the age limit. Yeah, again, the movie's it's based on erotic drama. It's you could say it's art to some point. At least that's what I'm gonna say if YouTube comes knocking to my door. Yo, what's this? I say, oh, I was viewing some artistic art. That's art, okay? Oh, it was art? I see what you did there. I see what you did there, crack your thumb. You're not gonna go too far. I know. What did you do here? It's 1 raised to k, so you multiply it? FBI coming? Why? How did we get to FBI? Oh. You okay, that's yes. So basically what you did is you separated infinity times infinity raised to 7, which is 1. Egocentric predicament. Do one thing after the stream. Just stream that part if possible, I insist. Nah, I don't think it's gonna be bad. It's a movie, bro. I just checked out a movie. So it's not gonna be... YouTube is not gonna come up saying, yo, oh, what did you do? No. It's based on an emperor. Ertugrul. Grul? Even bro knows he ain't that popular that YouTube emailing him now. YouTube do not give a f about me. I don't think so. I mean, hey, I'm not complaining. Oh, Ertu, Ertugrul, 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 Ertugrul. Yes. Fuck. Why did you beep the C in FCK? Are you talking about the chat? I don't know. I think it's part of the streaming service. Because I never set the limit like that. That's my boy. Oh, you meant me saying the word or in the chat? Okay, I got it. 1/5, less than 1, therefore series converges. Saying. Oh, okay. I mean, it sounds much better if you say negation. Negation is basically a loophole. No, it's a name. It's not a loophole. It's a name. I don't need loopholes. Keep talking. I don't need loopholes. I ain't no pussy. Have I ever been to Niger? No. I wish though. I wish I could visit the place Niger. Okay, let's move to next question. You know what? You know which place I really want to visit? Jamaica. Ooh, wagwan, brother. Give me some. Let me bounce some high grade weed, brother. Oh, I want to learn Jamaican accent so bad. Bombokla. K raised to 7, 3 raised to K raised to 3. I think I told this. I had this conversation with stream before, on chat before. Is Jamaica even close to Niger? Please. Please be close. I'm gonna go now. Well, Abdullah Extreme, respect for checking out the stream. Oh no, okay. Visit Brazil. Brazil. I feel like Brazil is gonna be similar to India. I don't know why. At least the people. At least I think people in Brazil is gonna look like Indians. That's my stupid brain, okay? I'm not claiming that. Let's do root test? No, let's do ratio test. Yeah, you know what it is. A raised to K. You want to go to Morocco? Yeah, Morocco is pretty... I've seen some videos on Morocco. If I understand, they're pretty good. Morocco is pretty clean, pretty composed place. That's what I've seen in the videos. Why am I yapping too much? But I used to go to Sealand. Sealand? Sealand. There's a country called Sealand. That's the country. That's a country. Oh, it's not gonna. It's not like I was in the vertical stream. Oh shit. Can you make a country like this? Who lives there? There are people. Yo. How far is this country? Like if I want to go there. It even has a print. What? Oh, come on. Give me the location. Google, stop. Okay, let me. It's from Britain. It's pretty nearby Britain, okay? Sealand School. What? No, this is not the place. Red Sand Fort. Yeah, okay. This is the place. Rough Shoals. Direction. Starting point. Come on, you know my starting point. Let's put Vienna. So if I have to travel, I can't. Sorry, Pierce. No, there's no. So I'm here, and I gotta go all the way to here. Possible. So I have to go to. There's no. Okay, I could use car. 17 hours. Yo, that'd be crazy though. I don't know why, but I liked it. I like the idea that you can have a country with two pillars. That's what we want. Search is citizens. I don't think they got citizens, bro. Yo, what if I could build a country like this? Can I build a country if this is a country? Can I also build a country if I buy an island? Can I do it? The citizens, they don't have too many citizens, so. Curious to. No, you can't. Come on. I should be able to. Come on, YouTube. Come on, YouTube. Tell me if I could. K raised to 7 plus 3k cubed plus 8. How do I do this though? K raised to 5, 4. The Virgin Islands are not virgin. Duh. They just say it just so they can say it. It's not like it's gonna be virgin. I don't think any island in this planet is a virgin. Yeah, I don't think so. Somebody must have stepped foot on at least one of the islands. The whole wide world. Okay, so I don't think I could do the ratio test here. I don't even know how to proceed with the root test. Comparison test, okay. So ratio test does not work. Comparison test, AK equals the normal equation and BK equals 1 by K cube. How did you come up with the 1 by K cube? Let me know how to proceed with the next one. Also, I just saw that they used the convergence test, comparison test, and I didn't understand what led to BK being BK being 1 by K cube. I don't understand how they got that. Based on the dominant term. When K becomes extremely large, the smaller powers and constants becomes insignificant to the highest powers. Oh. So you just divide these two. Oh, okay, I get it. How you got BK equals K cube. Now, example 9.6, alpha equals 3 raised greater than 1, yield absolute converges. Set up the limit. Multiply the reciprocal. Find the limit. Divide everything with the highest power and you get 1. Since the limit is finite positive number, the original series converges absolutely because it behaves exactly like the convergent series 1 by K cube. Ah, okay. So it's you could comparison test, okay. Wait, k raised to 4. When did I... Okay. I'll limit k tends to infinity, which gives us the series absolutely converges as limit k tends to 0 infinity ak by bk equals 1. The series acts exactly like what? What's the name of the Grenzwertkriterium? Ooh, that's a good word. Limit comparison test. Grenzsuchwertkriterium. Kriterium. Okay. Yo, Abdullah Extreme asking, what's your celebrity crush? Completed Oppenheimer just now. How's it? I think it's pretty good, right? I'm still thinking the celebrity crush. Yo. Yo, Abdullah is saying Oppenheimer is trash. Oh, you must have watched Barbie at that time, because there were two people. People who watch Oppenheimer or people who watch Barbie. Let me think. Celebrity crush. The first thing that comes to my mind, bro is resisting to say Sydney Sweeney. Nah. I mean, Sydney Sweeney looks good and all, but it's not a celebrity crush. No, not for me. It was... Fuck, I forgot the name. It's kind of weird. It's not like it's... let me search. Let me search the name of the actress. She was in Jaw. I remember she's an Australian actress. Feel like Robert J. Oppenheimer became a political leader later. Oh, okay. I haven't seen the movie though. Ruby Rose, yeah. I was like, yo, this woman looks good. What else? Ruby Rose, she was good. What else? What's the name of the... It's a horror movie. Annabelle 2. Anna 2. Yo, people are asking really weird questions. Are you a virgin? Let's just say I am. Alhamdulillah, let's just say I am, gang. Let's just say I am. Is this the movie though? No, not this one, not this one. So, the first, us, bro, us. Let's go, we're all, we're all virgins together. But like I said, the first crush that came to my mind was Ruby Rose. I don't know why, but she still looks pretty good. The second one was from a movie. It's good at the start, but it's way too long, showing a political tension between U.S. government and Oppenheimer, which I had no interest in. No physics in the later half. Oh, okay. So first half was more physics. I mean, hey. I don't. Looks like I'm not gonna watch the movie though. What's the name of the movie? Yeah. The other one is Talita Bateman. She was from Conjuring or Annabelle Creation. I was like, yo, this girl looks really good. But yeah, those two are, for me right now, it's those two. Rihanna is an amazing person. Looks really cool. Wamiko Agabi. Heard that name before. I feel like I've seen this face, but I don't know where. Is it the girl from Goda? No, I don't think so. Oh yeah, okay, it's that's her. Okay, Goda. She's cool. She's cool. There was a Malayalam movie called Goda, and she was an actress in the movie. Think. So what is this BK? Dominant denominator dominant term, numerator dominant term. To find the ideal comparison series, you strip away everything except the highest power in the numerator. Okay, so it's like a dominant term type shit. This would be a dominant term. Numerator or denominator. Would you like to try calculating the next series in question 2? No, I don't want to do that. But I just want to know, okay, after doing the comparison, we got the value to be 1. How is this convergent? I thought it should be less than 1. Just voice type. Nah. I tried it, but I'm not a very big fan of the voice thing. I need to type. I need to... It is completely understandable to be confused because different tests have different winning conditions. you are thinking of ratio test or root test, where the limit less than 1 means convergence. However, the limit comparison test, here's the breakdown. Limit comparison test, you're comparing the messy series to a simple series that you already understand. The 1 or any finite number means these two series behave exactly the same way. Oh, the math is telling you that k gets very low. So if it's not 1, converges if p is greater than 1. In our case, p equals 3 greater than 1. The comparison series is guaranteed to converge. Oh, that's the rule. The power of the series is greater than 1, so it is going to converge. Is it because it's in the numerator? Because the who was in the Transformers? What is the name of the woman in Transformers? She was crazy. Transformers with Shia LaBeouf. Megan Fox. Oh, Megan Fox was crazy. And now she looks a bit weird. I mean, she's 40, but in the movie, Megan Fox, whatever. She was one of a kind. It's exactly the opposite. The series converges because k is the denominator, not the numerator. In the comparison derived from the rational function in your exercise, the number 1 is the numerator, k raised to 3 is the denominator. Here's why the location of k and the value of its power is so important for convergence. It is exactly the opposite. The series converges because k is in the denominator and not the numerator. Oh, did I say numerator? Fuck. So that is a reason. That is a reason. Can I change this? No. That's Google. You need to improve here. I should be able to change this chat, because I don't want you to remember me being a fucking stupid guy who does not even cannot even distinguish between numerator and denominator. Derived from the rational function in your exercise, the number is the numerator. Correcting the numerator misconception. If k were the numerator with power greater than 1, the series would diverge. If k were in the numerator with power, okay, the series would diverge. This is because k gets larger. The terms would keep growing forever and their sum would reach infinity. So comparison test is basically okay. So comparing between the initial equation with a stripped down equation of it with exclusively giving importance. That's not the right word. to highest power and check if the original series acts like the stripped down one. So here, if the series acts like the stripped down one, we know that the original series acts. However, the original the stripped down acts could be diverging or converging. But let me know if the stripped down version is not similar to the original one. How do we recognize this? How is the comparison test gonna show us the stripped down and the original is not acting the same? The similarity check. L is a finite positive number. The test confirms they are similar. They have a shared fate. If one converges, both converge. If one diverges, both diverge. Yeah. If it's a positive number, that's okay. If it's 0 or infinity, that's the warning signal. It means the striped down version you chose is not similar enough to the original to give you a definitive answer. How the test shows they are not acting the same. Okay. So it's either it should be 0 or infinity. If it's a positive, what if it's a negative number? The division does not give you negative numbers, I guess. So I'm guessing I am correct. Okay. Negative numbers are not involved in the results. The reason negative numbers do not appear in the results is based on the following rules. Absolute convergence. In exercise sheet 1, the problems specifically ask you to investigate the series of absolute convergence. Okay. This means you're not looking at the original term but as the absolute values. Because absolute values are definition positive. My stupid ass did not look into it. I did not thought about that. I did not thought about that though. Yo, there's the news going on in Austria right now. Somebody just drive their car into the Pride parade. Fuck. Let me see if I could understand this news. Please tell me I understand this news. Let's see if I could understand German news.
Mutmaßliche Attentäter war kein Unbekannter. Bereits kurz nach der Tat konnten Ermittler den 21-jährigen Abdul B. identifizieren. Das Tatfahrzeug war auf seinen Namen gemietet und auch den Sicherheitsbehörden war der Mann seit Jahren bekannt. Der in Berlin geborene Deutsche mit libanesischen Wurzeln galt als Islamist und mutmaßlicher Anhänger der Terrororganisation IS. Bereits im vergangenen Jahr soll er versucht haben, nach Syrien auszureisen, um sich dem sogenannten Islamischen Staat anzuschließen. Im Libanon wurde er festgenommen und später wegen der Vorbereitung einer schweren staatsgefährdenden Gewalttat in Deutschland zu einer Jugendstrafe verurteilt. Nach seiner Entlassung musste Abdul B. an einem Deradikalisierungsprogramm teilnehmen und wurde zeitweise von der Polizei beobachtet. Trotzdem konnte er offenbar den Anschlag verüben. Genau das sorgt jetzt für massive Kritik. Politiker mehrerer Parteien und Sicherheitsexperten stellen
AI though?
Frage, warum ein bekannter Gefährder überhaupt wieder auf freiem Fuß war. Die Opposition spricht von einem schweren Versagen der Sicherheitsbehörden und
auto-dubbed? What do you mean auto-dubbed? Okay, looks like this whole channel is a bit it's a bit weird.
Maxi-King, das köstliche
der sich wünschte, jetzt mit uns im Libanon zu sein, erzählte der Vater dem Spiegel. Nur kurze Zeit später dürfte der 21-Jährige am Samstag den angemieteten Citroën in die Menschenmenge im Tiergarten gelenkt haben, die gerade den Christopher Street Day zelebrierte. Eine Frau wurde aus dem Leben gerissen, 29 weitere Menschen verletzt. Einen Tag nach dem verheerenden Angriff konnte die Polizei den Attentäter schließlich aufspüren. Bei der versuchten Festnahme fielen Schüsse, die Abdul B. nicht überlebte. Für dessen Vater, Tafik B., bricht eine Welt zusammen. Sein Abdul habe zuletzt mit seiner Mutter und 2 seiner 3 Schwestern in einem Mehrfamilienhaus in Berlin gelebt. Die Eltern seien geschieden. Der Vater halte sich aktuell im Libanon auf. Einen festen Job soll der 21-Jährige nicht gehabt haben. Hin und wieder sei er als Sicherheitsmitarbeiter oder Fahrer im Einsatz gewesen. Dafür habe er sich enorm mit seinem Handy beschäftigt und sei viel vor dem Fernseher gesessen und habe oft bis in den späten Nachmittag geschlafen. Dass die Familie etwas mit der Ideologie der Terrororganisation Islamischer Staat zu tun hat, weiß der 64.
Okay, I still don't understand everything. Yo, gang, I'm gonna end the stream because I gotta make a few calls right now. Oh man, I should get better in this. Peace out, YouTube.